Oh my gosh, I haven't done this in a long time, but look at these guys. Press-on nails. And I got these at my local beauty supply. They're by this company called BU Accents. Aren't they gorgeous? So yeah, even though I haven't done bougie nails on a budget in quite a while, it still hasn't died out in my heart. So what I wanted to do with these, I wanted to show them to you first because that price is just like, And I also wanted to check them out because, you know, sometimes we can get these press-on nails. They're pretty flimsy. They are $4.99, but this yellow right here seems to be the color of the season this year, right? So let's open them up. I'll open up the yellow ones because those are the ones that I chose to do today. The reflection in this, the pearl-esque chrome type finish on it is just so beautiful to me. And I actually was gonna do a yellow set, but then I was like, why don't I just have some fun, you know, put them on and kind of like blinging them out or whatever. So yeah, these are the stickers that come with it. I'll put those off to the side. And then I think that's pretty much it. There's nothing else here. So let's just open up the tray. I don't know. It looks like one might be missing. Hopefully it's in the part where the extra nails are. It does say 24. Oh, I just flipped them. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20. I had to count. No. I was thinking it might have been 2 rows of 12 to make the 24, and what was on the side was extra. These seem to be the larger sizes only, so it looks like one might have been missing. Sometimes, you know, you'll find one that came out of it because something must have happened here with the package. Sometimes you'll find them where they flipped and went to another part or compartment and it's sitting on top of something. But look at this, guys. Look at that pearlesque chrome finish on yellow. I'm flipping out over these. They're so beautiful. So I'd rather do it with one that I know I'm not going to use. So let me get one of these smaller ones. One that I think it's too small. And thankfully, it is one of the smaller ones that's missing because I'm thinking this is not going to fit me anyway. Oh, and I looked later and found it in the box. So yeah, that's, as you could see, that's pretty much too small for me anyway. And they seem to be pretty sturdy. They're not very flimsy. So let me do this. Y'all hear me grinding my teeth? Yeah, they seem to be pretty sturdy, not too flimsy. In fact, I'm rather pleased because these put me in the mind of McCart press-ons by feel and shape. I have a different pair of tweezers, and I'm thinking I can try to squeeze them to see how, if I do it this way, if they go flat real easy. Oh. That's a better way to show it. So they don't go too flat real easy. That way you could see how sturdy they really are. Because, you know, the ones that you get in dollar store, don't get me wrong. Oh, by the way, it's called Dollar Tree Plus now. That's what they're changing the name to. But they're actually starting to come out with really cute nails too. But a lot of them are like super flimsy. You could just touch them with the tip of your finger and then they'll bend in half. But isn't that beautiful? That is so cute. So I have an idea in mind how I want to spruce these up. We gotta have that bling. We gotta kind of go all out. But let me size them up, okay? So yeah, I was in the local beauty supply picking up a few things and spotted these metallic pearlesque nails, and I was immediately drawn to this yellow. And the price. I was like, $4.99? Yes, honey. And there were other colors besides the other one you saw too. So I figured, how perfect for bougie nails on a budget, because this is definitely fun and beautiful for some DIY nail pampering at home. I know the finish already puts a flavor on them, but I also thought to add a little bling to add more of a personal touch. So I have my sizes picked, and I was going to use the adhesive stickers. They look like good ones too, but I'll just save them and use regular glue. But before I do, I have to prep. My hand's been going through it again. But yeah, prep should be done no matter what enhancements you're using. And besides, your hands feel great after. I wanted to keep my length this time, which I usually cut my nails down because I usually don't go past where they are now. But I was so happy to see how they're growing. My preference has always been brush-on glue. I put it on my nail bed, and I think I showed it one time that I add a little inside the nail too. I didn't do any customizing as far as shape because nails like this usually fit me comfortable. And I filed the little tip off and smoothed the free edge. Cute, right? I felt a dainty touch of bling would tone down having the color across all the nails, because it is pretty, but it can be much. And I love how they turned out. $4.99 and a few rhinestones, so summery and cute. I was so happy to do bougie nails on a budget today, and if you like this, hit the like button. Here's another one of my favorites. Don't forget to subscribe for much more to come. Thank you so much for spending your time with me, and I do look forward to seeing you in the next one. Much love.